Today I'm going to show you how to draw a bird of peace. This is going to be its head, and then you're going to want to have the beak. And let's put an eye in there. That's kind of where his beak will go. And then we're going to want this little kind of olive leaf thing coming out like that. And then you'll want the body about like that, and the tail there, and wings going off like that. Now they don't actually kind of look like this, but I think it kind of works better as a graphic image to have the wings on that side, and then maybe little claws sticking out as well. So I'm going to stick this like that and draw these leaves in there like that. And then that will be the stalk coming out on the other side. And that will come down to there, and we want the eye. Now the eyeball is kind of like a dot with a bite taken out of it. And we want a little nostril thing there as well, won't we? And then draw in these feathers. And that's kind of the elbow kind of thing, and we need some kind of feathery lines there. And again, similar on this side. Feathers. And I want to see the body kind of come out there. Those will be the legs sticking out. And then that wants to come up just here, and let's kind of dot it into, fade it with a dot there. And then here we want these to be kind of the feathers like that. When you're sure it's dry, erase all those pencil lines, and then we can kind of put these in there as well, those little inner feathers. You can maybe put some hint of feathers in on that side there. This might want to be a bit darker underneath there. Bit of movement in the feathers, maybe a bit of shadow there, and maybe a bit of shadow under the tail. And we can have the sky flying along like that. We can't give him any shadow, or her, to put her on the table, because she's up in the air. There you go, how to draw a bird of peace real easy. Well, I hope you enjoyed that, and if you did, go and learn how to draw a mushroom, or just try the mystery drawing. Either way, make sure you're subscribed for lots more drawings, and go and check out my other channel, Shoot Rainer Drawing. In the meantime, keep drawing, practice, and I'll see you next time. You take care now, bye bye.